Hello students, good morning. I hope you are doing well at home. Today is your first lecture in science subject and today's first chapter is matter in our surrounding. We start our first topic. Let's start. States of matter. Anything which occupies space and has mass is known as matter. For example, air, water, petrol, etc. have mass and they occupy space as well. Anything, those substances which occupy space and having mass is called as matter. For example, air occupies space and it has a mass. Water have space, contain space and have a mass. According to the ancient philosopher, matter exists in the form of five basic elements such as fire, sky, water, air and earth, and they are commonly known as Panch Tattva. Our Indian ancient philosopher said that matter exists in five basic forms that are fire, that is Agni, sky, that means Akash, water, that means Pani, air, that means Hava, earth, Prithvi. It is commonly called Panch Tattva. Characteristics of matter. First characteristics of matter is they have a space between them. Matters having a space between them. The matter's particles attract each other. They are in continuous motion. The particles present in the molecules or matter, they are continuously motion. Vacant space exists between the particles. Vacant space are present in the particles. Explanation of characteristics. Particles of matter are continuously moving, that is, kinetic energy is present in them. With the increase in temperature, the particles move faster because of the increase in the kinetic energy of the particles. Particles of matter are continuously in motion because energy is present. Which type of energy is present in the particles of the matter? Kinetic energy. If you increase the temperature of the in the matter, the movement of the particle is increased because the kinetic energy of the particle is increased. The particles of matter have space between them. The particles of one type of matter get into the space between the other type of particle. Even when we make tea, coffee, the particles of matter having a space. That means this confirms that there is enough space between the particles of matter. Particles of matter attract each other. When we open a water tap and whenever we try to break the stream of water with our finger, we cannot do this because the stream of water remains together. जब हम वाटर का टैप खोलते हैं, उसमें से पानी आता है और हम अपनी फिंगर से उस फ्लोटिंग वाटर को कट करते हैं, तो वो सारे पानी के मॉलिक्यूल्स आपकी उंगली फिंगर्स के नीचे से फिर एक बॉन्ड में आ जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके बीच में एक अट्रैक्शन काम करता है. पार्टिकल्स ऑफ वाटर आर हेल्ड टुगेदर बिकॉज ऑफ द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन देम. वो सारे पार्टिकल्स आपस में क्यों गैदर हो जाते हैं? क्योंकि उनके बीच में एक फोर्स काम करता है. वो कौन सा फोर्स होता है? अट्रैक्शन का. मैटर एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स. मैटर फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज सॉलिड, सेकेंड वन लिक्विड, third one gas, fourth one is plasma, fourth one is Bose-Einstein condensate. See the figure. In center it is a matter. Gas, solid, liquid, plasma, Bose-Einstein condensate. Difference between the solid, liquid and gas. I know you guys really know the difference of solid, liquid and gas. I give the example of water. Water, when we get an ice cube, it is a form of solid. When we form our ice melt into water, it is a form of liquid. When we boil the water, all water are evaporate. It is a form of gas. Let's start solid. They have definite shape. सॉलिड का डेफिनेट शेप होता है. I'll give you the example of ice. Second is liquid. They have no definite shape. I'll give you the example of water. If we store water in any container, glass, vessel, they contain the shape of that particular container. Gas, they have no definite shape. Gas, they have no definite shape because we cannot store it. If second is definite volume. Liquid have definite volume. Solid have definite volume. Liquid fixed volume. Gas no fixed volume. Third one is do not flow. Solid doesn't flow. Liquid can flow. Gas can flow. Incompressible. Compressible means if we press it, they compress. It means they reduce their size. Second one is little compress. You must, I'll give you the example of fourth one is incompressible, little compressible, very much compressible. 5. Arrangement of particles in solid. The molecules present in solid, they are very close to each other. In the molecule present in liquid form, there are less distance in between the particles. Gaseous particles are far away. Plasma is the ionized gas. It conducts electricity very easily. The plasma is affected by magnetic field. It has indefinite shape and volume. Plasma have indefinite shape and volume. They is affected by magnetic field. It conducts electricity very easily. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.